This is SA Associates Cable Quickie with the one-click measurement solution for all kind of cables and wire. In this case, you can measure any kind of cable and wire samples starting from 2 mm diameter going up to 120 mm diameter. Even the small diameters going down up to 0.5 mm can be measured in the customized models. All kind of cable shapes like round, sectoral, stranded, multi-core, single core, double core, 3-core, fiber optic cables, the telecom cables, they all can be measured with just one click in this system. In this case, you have to keep a sample on the glass plate here. Like we have kept a 6-core sample on the glass plate, and then the system is connected to a very interactive graphical user-based software for measurement, which has all the icons on the top. Like you can see that. You can see an icon for start, setup, save, snapshot, inspect. Then at the bottom we have certain icons like operator, part, processing and display labels, where you can feed in the required details for the measurement. And then we have a big icon for report for reporting and analysis purpose. Now measurement in this is very simple. What you have to do is, first you have to click snapshot. The moment you will click snapshot, you will get the image of the part here, and then you have to click inspect. The moment you click inspect, you get all the measurements done over here. Now you can see for each of the strands you have the measurement result, and then you can press the details down there as operator to feed in the operator details. You click this, you can feed in the customer name, address, the operator name and ID, and then you can click OK to this. You press the part for part details. You can add the part details, then you can add the processing details, and finally you can press the report button. Yes, you can see the complete report with all the details. Yes, you will have the image of the sample which is being measured, and at the bottom you will have all the results. You can measure the thickness, the minimum thickness, the maximum thickness, the average thickness, the thickness at 6 points. Then you can also include in these results the ovality, the outer diameter also can be programmed, and you can have that results over here. Now you can see there are 6 measurements on the 6 strands. It's a 6-core sample. The first measurement is D1, the second measurement is D2 here, then D3 over here, then we have D4, D5 and D6. Now let's understand how the measurement has been done in this case. Now first we locate the inner. Now you can see the yellow line here. You can see the yellow region on the inner part. We just zoom out. So we detect the inner region first. With the help of 1400 points, you can increase the number of points to 2000, 3000, 4000 anyways. Then we locate the outer. You can see a small lining over here, orange color lining. We locate the outer with all the points, and then we find out the minimum point out of those 1440 points, and then we chop them into different sectors. You can see the color division over here. So we have divided them into, this one is red, you can see an all yellow color here. So we divide them into sectors. After that we find the distance in each of the sectors, and then we can see all. So after we have the results for all the sectors, then we calculate the minimum out of which, and then you can find the object size, the inner area, the minimum distance and the average width also over here, and then you press the report button. You will see. Now let's change the sample. Now we have now a sectoral sample like this. Now you press inspect. The similar way, all the measurements will be done for a sectoral sample. The same way, first we detect the outer, then the inner, you can see, and then we divide them into sectors, we take all the 6 measurements. So likewise, any kind of cable sample can be programmed, can be measured. We can do the programming for XLPE cable sample. Plus we have the optional modules like color identification, which is for calculating the yellow and green percentage in the cable. And then we have the XLPE transparency measurement module for tree identification and tree formation analysis module. So this software is a very user-friendly software for cable measurements. What the operator has to do is just simple snapshot and inspect. Keep the component in any orientation, you change the orientation, press snapshot, back. You can change the position and the orientation both, press snapshot and inspect.